Hello and welcome back to Leander98 channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this 2021 Mini Cooper JCW on an Xmods Evolution chassis. This is not an OEM body, it was custom made just for this chassis. This body was printed on my Anycubic Photon Mono X, printed in this orientation that you see here. It was printed in one piece and it just needed some supports on the side mirrors. Maybe a little bit on the rear spoiler as it overhangs a little, but other than that, this was a pretty clean and easy print. We're going to be doing something a little different starting the new year here. We're going to try and do some FPV racing. So, we're going to put a camera on the roof of the car, which yes, will adjust the center of gravity, so yet again we are pretty much canceling out all previous runs. But we're going to see how it is. See if it plays out nice, and see if it's even more enjoyable than a camera on my head. So, we'll see you then. The chassis being used in this video is going to be dubbed the Super Compact chassis, as it is a 90mm chassis with a 65 Mustang front clip. This allows cars with super short front ends and super short chassis to be able to fit on an RC car chassis. So, I'll end up taking it for a little spin. There isn't any OEM bodies that go along with this chassis setup, so we got 4 custom ones to show off, of 2 brand new ones and 2 old ones. So, how about we go for a drive? This episode of Body Show Reviews isn't sponsored, but I would like to give a shout out to a brilliant artist known as Hakasuka Works. Based out of Australia, he makes his living creating your dream ride in nostalgic cel-shaded graphics. We found each other through this Seiko XS that he has created here, and I myself even got the Gina Special and asked for the City Turbo from Midnight Club 2. He offers commissions starting at 125 USD. Maybe just interested in seeing his museum of cars? Give his Instagram or Twitter a look at Hakasuka Works. Alright, let's go. And the sway will be Alright, bring it on in. That felt good. First time doing the FPV. Well, not the first time, but at least for the channel here. Let's bring it on in. We'll take a look at ourselves. Gorgeous! Alright, first try with that done. Let's take a look at the timesheet. As we can see, we had a best time of 7.962. Pretty late into the run as well, which is really good. We didn't have any major crashes, which is good, but I will say we were a little slow on the pace. This car can definitely go faster, but we have the power turned down just because I'm a little bit of a wimp. More so just that the rate of speed just feels so much faster on the FPV that I purposely have to slow the car down just to drive. But this will be a balance of entertainment versus accuracy. Obviously, no one's buying an Xmod brand new solely based on these videos anymore, so maybe it'd be better for the entertainment state on that one. But we'll see. Obviously, views, comments, and likes will differ. But with that time in mind, we got 27 laps in total with a medium 8.6, so we did have some slow laps in there. We probably had a wreck to where we were able to back up and fix it, but nothing too terrible. That being said, I'll see you in the next one. One last thing before we close here on this video. If you like the cars that you saw in this video, take a look at the link down in the description. It'll take you to my Cults 3D page where you can download the STL file for just $1. That $1 will get you a dummy chassis and the body in resin printing and FDM plastic printing as well. This way, so that you can print it whether or not you have a plastic printer that you want to use for racing, or maybe you got a resin printer that you want to use extra detail for. Either way your taste, you can download the car that you saw in this video today on my Cults 3D page that's down in the link in the description below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe for more RC driving content here. It's quite a few different things that we do on this channel here, so I apologize if it's never one exact thing. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Alright, let's go! Ooh. right before spinning it. Oh, gross slap. Whoa, come on. Hands are sweaty, need to be carried. Mom's spaghetti. Ooh. You know by now that this car has an unexpected spin now. And that's it. Alright, bring it on in. That felt good. First time doing the FPV. Well, not the first time, but at least for the channel here. Let's bring it on in. Let's take a look at ourselves. Gorgeous!